Are you secretly dreading the Thanksgiving food coma? What if you could enjoy all the holiday flavors and feel amazing afterward? Maybe even add years to your life. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. This Thanksgiving, you can incorporate the eating habits of the world's longest living people into your celebration. As the saying goes, you are what you eat. And modern science backs this up. What you put on your plate profoundly impacts your health and even how long you live. Dan Buettner, a National Geographic Fellow and author, has spent 2 decades studying blue zones, those rare places on Earth where people consistently live past 100 with vibrant health. The secret? Diet plays a huge role. People in blue zones, like Okinawa, Japan, and Sardinia, Italy, primarily eat plant-based, whole food diets. But here's where it gets controversial. It's not about deprivation. According to Buettner, these foods are maniacally delicious. He shared this insight with CNN's chief medical correspondent Dr. Sanjay Gupta on the Chasing Life podcast. You can listen to the full discussion here, https://swap fm/l/l/clat112425. Buettner's cookbook, The Blue Zone's Kitchen One-Pot Meals, 100 Recipes to Live to 100, adapts these healthy eating principles to the American palate. He even used artificial intelligence, collaborating with Johannes Eichstadt from Stanford University's Computational Psychology and Wellbeing Lab, to analyze over 675,000 recipes. The goal? To understand what makes food irresistibly tasty. We found that most of the most popular recipes in America followed one of 7 different patterns, Buettner explained. And then we kind of reverse-engineered deliciousness. And this is the part most people miss. Buettner didn't just focus on flavor. He addressed common barriers to healthy eating: time, cost, knowledge, and the perception that healthy food can't be delicious. His one-pot recipes are designed to be quick, under 20 minutes to prepare, affordable, less than $3 per serving, easy to make, and, most importantly, incredibly tasty. Thanksgiving, with its butter-laden dishes, can feel like the antithesis of a blue zone meal. But don't worry, you don't have to ditch your traditions. Small, strategic swaps can align your holiday feast with longevity-boosting eating habits. Here are 5 tips from Dan Buettner. 1. Embrace the original Thanksgiving trio: beans, corn, and squash. These aren't just historical staples, they're nutritional powerhouses. Buettner points out that these foods are essential to the diets of people living in blue zones like Nicoya, Costa Rica, and Icaria, Greece, as well as being fundamental to Native American diets. Build your menu around these, and you're already eating like centenarians. 2. Load up on greens and veggies. Blue zone tables overflow with leafy greens like mustard greens, collards, wild arugula, and fennel fronds. A simple salad packed with fresh herbs or a platter of roasted seasonal vegetables can significantly lighten up a traditionally heavy meal. Here's a recipe from Buettner's One-Pot Meals cookbook to get you started. Roasted carrots with honey lemon glaze. Asterisk serves 4. Asterisk cook time: 35 minutes. For the glaze: asterisk 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Asterisk 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Asterisk 1 tablespoon honey. For the carrots: asterisk 12 ounces carrots, peeled, about 5 medium carrots. Asterisk 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Asterisk 1/2 teaspoon salt. Asterisk 1/4 teaspoon cumin seed. Asterisk 1/4 teaspoon caraway seed. Asterisk 1/4 teaspoon coriander seed. Asterisk 1/4 teaspoon fennel seed. Asterisk 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, hot or sweet, according to taste. Asterisk 1/4 cup carrot greens or fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a ramekin or small bowl, whisk together the glaze ingredients until the honey is dissolved, then set aside. 3. Cut the carrots lengthwise in half or quarters so that the widest ends are about 1/4 inch thick. 4. Toss the carrots in the oil to coat evenly, then add the salt and spices and toss again. 5. Spread the carrots in a single layer on a 13x 9-inch sheet pan, with curved sides facing up. 6. Roast the carrots for 30 minutes, then remove the pan from the oven. Drizzle the glaze over the carrots, and return to the oven for 5 more minutes. 7. Garnish with the chopped greens before serving. 3. Choose whole grains. Swap refined grains for whole grain alternatives in your side dishes. Instead of white rolls or refined stuffing, try whole grain sourdough, barley, or wild rice, Buettner suggests. These keep blood sugar stable and keep you fuller with fewer calories. 4. Upgrade your favorites. Even classic dishes can be made healthier. Take mashed potatoes, for example. Buettner's version uses olive oil instead of butter and cream, adding a boost of healthy fats and flavor. Here's his recipe. Olive oil mashed potatoes. Asterisk serves 4 to 6. Asterisk cook time, 20 minutes. Ingredients. Asterisk 1 pound Yukon Gold potatoes. Asterisk a quarter cup extra virgin olive oil. Asterisk 1 teaspoon salt. Asterisk 2 tablespoons fresh chives, minced. Instructions. 1. Trim any dark spots off the potatoes, then halve or quarter the potatoes so all the pieces are roughly the same size, about 2 inches across. 2. Put the potatoes in a deep pot that's large enough to hold them with plenty of room to spare. 3. Cover the potatoes with water by about 2 inches. 4. Bring the water to a boil and cook until a knife can pierce the potatoes with minimal resistance, about 20 minutes. 5. Use a colander to drain the water, then return the potatoes to the pot. 6. Add the oil, salt, and chives and use an immersion blender to whip it all into a smooth, velvety puree. 7. Taste for seasoning and serve. 5. Rethink dessert. Instead of an overwhelming array of pies, reframe your approach to dessert. You don't need to ban dessert, just change the equation, Buettner says. In Sardinia, people enjoy a single simple sweet after meals, not an avalanche of pies. Consider naturally sweet options like baked apples, roasted squash, or dates. Bonus tip: strengthen connections. A Blue Zone Thanksgiving isn't just about the food, it's about the whole experience. Make the holiday social, active, and purposeful. Play a game, ask everyone to share a gratitude story, or include elders in the cooking, Buettner suggests. After the meal, take a walk together instead of collapsing on the couch. Longevity isn't just about what's on the plate, he says. It's the whole web of connection around it. We hope these tips inspire you to create a Thanksgiving that's both delicious and health-promoting. Listen to the full Chasing Life episode for more insights. https://swap fm/l/clat112425. What are your favorite healthy Thanksgiving traditions? Will you be trying any of these Blue Zone-inspired tips this year? Share your thoughts and recipes in the comments below. Do you think it is possible to have a truly healthy Thanksgiving? Or is it okay to indulge a little and focus on moderation? CNN Podcast's Jennifer Lai contributed to this report. Recipes adapted from the Blue Zone's Kitchen One-Pot Meals. 100 Recipes to Live to 100 by Dan Buettner, National Geographic.